friends, today I'm here to show you a quick tutorial. Like, this is really quick. I say this sometimes, but this is like 5 minutes tops, especially if you have short hair like me. So today I'm here to show you my way of creating messy waves with my not so voluminous hair anymore, but then I actually create some volume by using a couple of different techniques in which I'm showing you guys in this video. So if you like volume, if you like messy hair, don't care, and if you want something quick for your everyday, then you ought to watch this video. Okay guys, so got my straightener. I'm so used to say curling iron. Got my straightener on, and I'm gonna show you the process that I do. This is a lot easier than curling your hair. Okay, so one thing that I learned is that you want to be curling diagonally. Like, if you do it horizontally like this, it won't have the same effect on the hair. It won't be like a messy wave. Like right now, we just want massive volume and just a barely there wave type of thing, not a curl. So we're going for the wave. I'm gonna get smaller sections, and then you kind of twist it just like so. And then when it comes down to here, see how it kind of like curled? You want to like straighten that. You don't want it to be an actual curl. Does that make sense? Let me try again on this one. So just kind of like go twist and then just leave the ends out. And then if you feel like you need to run a little something there, go for it. This is almost like a curl in here. You guys see that? So I'm just gonna like, if it's too curly, if you find it like, oh my gosh, it's too much, then just go over it, because then it just kind of like smooths it out a little bit. Okay, so you're basically gonna go through your entire hair like that. Very important, let it cool off before you guys mess with it. So once you get it the way you want it to, just don't touch it. And then I'm gonna show you the trick to what to do after that. So sometimes guys, if you can skip the ends, it's best. If not, just go ahead and like do a little, run the iron there. So once you get it to the point that it's cute and like super, you know, beachy wave. This just arrived in the mail, guys. I'm so excited. I've gone through like several bottles of this, and every time it just makes me so happy when I get it because it smells amazing. It's the Oribe Superfine Hair Mist. So just kind of leave it, let it be. And now the next, the other side. This side, I always have a little bit of a hard time finding my hand position. So just try different ways, guys, that you feel like it works. Sometimes it works if I go like from, you know, down and then twist it. I just feel like this style goes so well with this top here. It's just like I'm feeling so springy-ish. I just wanted to tell you that once you get the hang for the other side, things will be so much easier, I promise you. Okay, second day here. So I just wanted to show you guys the process of doing that beach wave, and then this is what I wake up with, which is just a lot smoother than the day that we that I typically do the beach waves myself. So I saved this part here, the bangs, just because I usually have to redo them. So I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of like everything looking great. Not a sneak peek, but just showing you the process of doing that. I apologize for my face looking very brown. I just had a spray tan and it just needs to sit here for a while. Okay, so that being said, you guys, I saved my bangs. If my hair did not have bangs, I would have probably been okay with just like not refreshing it, but because I do, they just tend to like fall. So I'm just gonna do this for you guys to see on the next day. I'm gonna part my hair to the side. So usually I'd recommend you guys to part where you want it to be, and then you're gonna curl it on that direction. Okay. So starting with this little guy here, same thing we've been doing. And then if it gets too cray, you come and do like, whoop, do a little zip. Get smaller sections of hair in the front, just because it helps with the curling and just to look a little bit better. More put together. See the curl itself. So my hair holds curl really, really well. So I usually like, once I do the curl, like super fast, I just kind of like tuck it in just so it loses that super curly effect, okay? You guys feel free to kind of like play with on whatever you think it looks cuter. Sometimes I try, like if you need more volume on your bangs, I would curl it to one side and then just automatically or just quickly flip to the other side just to give that a little more volume and just kind of like that I don't care beach look to your hair. But see? So this is for the girls who really like the volume, okay guys, not for the girls who don't. So it's definitely a voluminous beach wave, but it does look so I don't know, just like very beachy. Like I don't care, you know, beach hair don't care. I'll just finalize with some hairspray just so it stays. And that's it. So here it is. Your hair is done and messy and very beachy, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Very, very quick, but just, you know, fun and super easy to do in a beach, like when you are at the beach. Another thing though, like real quick, if you guys go to the beach and then don't have like a hair dryer or whatever, you can just do this style without even needing to blow out your hair, because the more messy and like texturized the hair is, the better it is. Another tip is to wait until your hair gets a little bit dirty to do the style too, because it will look a little better too than on straight up clean hair. So I hope this was helpful to you guys. I hope you could learn something new, and I hope you enjoy this. If you did so, do not forget to leave me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel, and I thank you so much for taking the time to being here and supporting my videos and my content creating. So thank you so much. Love you guys. Um beijo. Tchau, tchau.